In this series, I'm going to be diving more into VueJS and then combining this with WordPress. So having those two work together. I'm going to be using VueJS here for the front end part, so presenting all the data. And I'm going to be using WordPress as a REST API backend, so where we change data, store data and everything, right? So what you know from WordPress if you used it before. You might have since you searched for this. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install some plugins for each of these. For WordPress, I'm going to install a plugin called VP Headless. That means basically I'm removing the front end part of it and just keeping the administration backend part of WordPress, so I won't see the front end when I go to my my URL up here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use, where to go? Here we go. Custom Post Types UI plugin for WordPress, CPT space UI if you search for it. Also going to show you the things I installed in WordPress. That's the two plugins I'm going to be using for WordPress. For VueJS, I'm just going to be using the Axios that we looked at before, so we can get our HTTP requests, grab the information from online somewhere, and then put them into our Vue. And then lastly, I'm also going to show you how we can set this up in our Vue with asynchronous and synchronous calls. So hopefully this is what we'll get working by the end of this this series here.